Hello dear friends, hello from the winter and coldy Samara. So today as you know, we have an excursion around campus of Samara University. So now we're standing outside the main entrance of the university, so let's go inside. Follow me. So we're already inside the university, and to go through the special access system, we need to check our card. It's a special access card with Samara University sign. So we need to go something like that. And only after that you will be inside. So guys, now we're located in the building, inside the building. And first of all, we would like to show you the scheme of the campus of Samara National Research University. So actually, many study buildings, they're located in different parts of Samara city. And now we are just standing in one of them. And you can see the huge scheme of the campus of Samara National Research University. We call it like South scheme. So here you can see many buildings and hostels. So now we're located here. This is number 1. This is the building. Now we're located here. So later we will visit some other buildings, and these are hostels for students. And some of these buildings, they are studying one, researching one, sports one, and so on. So this is just the south part of the campus of Samara National Research University. And if we'll go further about the Samara University, we have to tell you some facts about maybe the main person of Samara University. The name of this person is Viktor Pavlovich Lukachev. He was the rector of Kuybushев Institute, Aviation Institute. This is the previous name of Samara National Research University. He was the rector from 1956 till 1988 for more than 30 years. And he was such a role model for many engineers and many specialists and researchers about the aviation, technique, and so on. So he was the rector of Samara National Research University, and in the previous year, in 2020, the monument, according to this engineer, to this researcher, was open. So here you can see some relief. This is the name, this is his majority, and the dates of the leading of Samara National Research University. And here also on the background of me, you can see some main historic facts about his career and his professional researching and so on. So Viktor Pavlovich Lukachev, he was the rector, and his specialization was the researching and the maintaining of aviation and space engines. So let's go further and maybe we will see something interesting.
Hello! Now we are located in the students' cafe. Bon appetit! So, there are near 15 students' cafe in our Samara University. I think it is one of the main part of students' life because it's one of the good helper for good study. And now when we have a little bit coffee tea break, I suggest you to speak about our university, the whole. Let's discuss how many institutes has our university or others main features about Samara University. Samara Federal University, named after Sergei Pavlovich Korolev, and this university appeared in 2016 when two universities, Samara State University and Samara State Aerospace University, joined in one big university. And now our university has 8 institutes. Institute of Rocket Construction, Institute of Engine Design, Institute of Aviation, Science Natural Institute, Social Humanitarian Institute, Institute of Economics and Management, and Judge Institute. There are 8 institute. Each institute has great students, great science, and it's very good because we have combined different sphere of science, and also we have, as you remember Lada's previous activity, you showed that we have parachute, scholarship, dance, song, and others activity for students who have not only study during our students' life. So I think let's look in the window and see that now in Samara winter, cold, maybe minus 20 degrees. It's so cold for you and also for us, but it's Russia, and thank you for watching our tour.
So guys, now we're located in the passage between one of the corpuses, between studying corpus and administrative one. And you can see that colors are really bright ones. You can see nowadays pink, and later you will see other bright colors such yellow and blue. And here on the walls there are many words that are written in different languages, such as Russian, such as English, and others one Chinese, Spanish, and so on. Because Samara National Research University, it is international university, and we have students from different countries, from different parts of the world, America, Asia, Africa, and so on and so on. So yeah, the Samara University is not only about the Russian students. So also here on the walls you can see many pics from different events that took place at Samara University, or for example, our students took part in those events, such as for instance FIFA World Cup in 2018. Here at Samara University we still have the volunteer center where, you know, all those smiling guys that were just smiling and just have a special welcoming for our host during the FIFA World Cup. They were studying here, so we still have the center that prepare volunteers for different, I guess, worldwide events. So yes, this is just the picture with all volunteers on the Samara Arena Stadium. You can see so many people here. So yeah, this is all volunteers. So maybe we should go then, and maybe we will see something interesting. And this is just a special place where students can have a rest between the gap of the classes and so on. So yeah, what will be the next location? See you there. So the next point and the next location. This is the exhibition according to the space exploration by Soviet and Russian scientists. So here you can see many pics that were taken from the space satellites. Here you can see the peak of the Earth and of the space and so on. And on this side you can see some Soviet Union postcards according to the space exploration, and these postcards that were made especially to New Year, because New Year is probably the main celebration for Russians, and it was the main celebrations for Soviet people. So here you can see many postcards with cosmonauts and with children according to New Year and according to the space. So you can see it here and there and also there. So this is just such a space and New Year exhibit. So that's it. Enjoy this exhibit. And later on the next location we will be introduced a little bit to the space exploration and to the history of Samara National Research University and the Kuybushев Aviation Institute and the link between space and us.
Hello dear friends again. Now we are located in the building number 3, and please look at my back. You can see the bas relief, and you can see the portrait of Sergei Korolev. Sergei Korolev is one of the main person in space exploration, not only USSR but the whole world. Sergei Korolev, it's not just a person for our university, because our university named after Sergei Korolev. And I would like to tell you that Sergei Korolev is like Peter the Great for Russia, because Peter the Great opened the window to the Europe, but Sergei Korolev opened the window to the space. And also Sergei Korolev joined two main things on our world. For example, first of all, he helped to launch the first satellite on the 4th of October in 1957, and also he helped to launch space by human. On the 12th of April in 1961, Yuri Gagarin launched to the space, especially with the help of Sergei Korolev, because Sergei Korolev was one of the designers of R-7. It's the name of the engine which used in the rocket Vostok. And Sergei Korolev is like a person who motivated our students to study and for the exploration, for make great contribution, not especially in science, but in the whole life. And Sergei Korolev told us that we should fly and build and fly. If you translate in Russian, it means летать и строить, строить и летать. I think this phrase it's a good motto for not only study but the whole life. Maybe you're interested in what is it and why it's located in the typical building of university. So, it is a satellite which type name of Photon. Photon is the special satellite which used for scientific research, for make others exploration, and you can see inside how it looks like. And interesting fact that this type of satellite is still in use. So we would like to tell you that see in the next location. Hello again. Now we are a relaxing zone for students. Let's see, but please be so shy because now it's not relaxing at all. Students have session and you can see typical type of students. They try to study the whole discipline during 1 or 2 days before exam. If you do the same, please write comments or maybe post this fragment in your Instagram and tag us. So, dear friends, the typical students, let's try to go and ask them. Maybe they didn't answer because they are a little bit nervous, but we can try. Let's go. Hello, dear students. What are you doing? Okay, they preparing for classes. Let's go next because they're a little bit afraid, and I would like you to show you the most interesting place. Thank you for joining us. Let's go.
Please look again in one of the interesting wall of our university, and I hope that you know who look at you. It's Yuri Gagarin, and he would like to tell you, let's go! And we also suggest you let's go to the next location.